Hey squirmy worms, we're at the beach. We just finished swimming and it's really, really nice out. It's not too hot. And there's seagulls. Seagulls everywhere. There were more seagulls earlier, but it's really nice. And now we're going back. It's my mom's birthday, so I'm assuming we're gonna do something extra special. I mean, I wasn't involved in the planning, but we always do something special, some nice dinner. So, yeah. So we are headed back to Mumsy's house. Here's some seagulls. Some nice seagulls. Let's see. Yeah, they get really close to people. They don't even care. Don't even care. They almost like attacked someone for their food, though. See the nice palm trees. And we gotta go get extra sand off of us. But there he is flying. I don't know if I caught that, but we are on our way back. That's nice. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Afterward.
Did you have fun?
I did. Thank you.
Just
Did you say goodbye to all the seagulls?
Sure. I didn't buy one seagull. One. I don't know if I got it. It's hard to tell. All right. Now, I'll catch up with you guys later, but we gotta go. It's Mama's birthday. So, bye.